Hello friends, welcome to AR Search Box. This is Ashutosh. This Bootstrap 4 tutorial is designed for beginners. In this session we are going to cover two topics: an introduction of Bootstrap and an overview of Bootstrap 4 new features. What is Bootstrap? Bootstrap is an open-source designing framework for fast web development, and it gives us pre-made HTML CSS templates with classes that we can use to format our user interface into websites. It also gives us some pre-made JavaScript widgets and plugins to make our sites and applications more attractive. Bootstrap also has a mobile-first approach, so it's responsive. Your Bootstrap themes, if carried correctly, should adapt to any display resolution size. Advantages of Bootstrap. First of all, you don't have to worry about browser compatibility. Website will get auto-format on all browsers as per the resolution. It gives you much faster development, and prototyping gives you much faster workflow. It's also very easy to learn. It's also have complete and easy to understand documentation. You can also get responsive layouts with essentially no extra work. Now let's see what are the ways to install Bootstrap. First ways include the CDN or the Content Delivery Network link. Second ways is you just download the Bootstrap files and include them in your project. Third ways is NPM Package Manager. You can have the NPM Package Manager Node Package Manager, and that allows you to install Bootstrap through NPM, which is installed with Node.js. So what's new in Bootstrap 4? With the new libsass, compiling is faster, and the Sass developers community is also growing by the day. The Bootstrap update comes with a new grid tier and a new revamped semantic mixins. Switch to the Boolean variable and compile a new CSS. This allows you to take full advantage of the Flexbox-based grid system and the components. Enter reboot and out goes normalized CSS, providing more reset opinions like margin tweaks, box sizing, border, box, and more in one single Sass file. Bootstrap latest version drops IE8. No need to worry, as the new Bootstrap update takes full advantage of the best CSS sections minus any fallback or hacks. Bootstrap latest update has swipe to lems and ems where appropriate, making the responsive topography and component sizing easy. Still, if you want to continue using IE8, keep using Bootstrap 3 rewritten plugins and S6 taking full use of the latest JavaScript enhances. The Bootstrap 4 also comes with UMD support, option type checking, generic tiered and method, and more. Remembering a mishap done during the release of Bootstrap 3 with discontinuation of V2X that gave many users a hard time. Hence, this time Bootstrap 3 is maintained with minor bug fixes and improved documentation. V3 Dex shall continue to be used even after V4 release. In next video we will see the enhancement in look and feel done in Bootstrap 4 framework. Please share your query or feedback in the comment section, and do share, like, and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.